This thing is absolutely bananas. Man folds one piece of paper for 50 hours to make a samurai. Look at that!
One piece of paper.
One piece of paper. No cuts. Just folds. Check out the video. It's embedded below. This is some staggering, this is some shocking stuff. We're talking 50 hours of folding origami samurai warrior. You can, watch the initial part of the phase. Now, he does use like a liquid adhesive just to stiffen the thing up a little bit at points, but it is all folds. No cutting, no tearing. Look at him go. Pre-creasing. Holy, oh my God. Give us a little scroll forward so you can start to see it taking shape. Oh, the details. 50 hours. What do you take a break? You eat, you come back with the hair dryer. Oh. You're folding and folding. One sheet.
Why
are you not impressed, Will?
No, this is very impressive. This is very right up my alley here. I'm just in shock.
50 hours. Origami.
And it's posing. It's not like a straight,
No, actually, it's a really cool pose at the very end. He puts it just on a black backdrop, and you can see a lot of the detail, actually, if you go to the end. Not to spoil it, you guys should go watch the video. I'm going to give a shout out to this YouTuber. What's the channel name? Can you read that for me?
Juho Concola? Oh. Sorry.
That's very offensive what you just did. Well, he tried his best. It's on screen there. But yeah. Oh, he only has 400 subscribers. Wow. This guy's about to blow up. Go check him out. This is insane, this folding. It is just terrifying, the process. It's his first video.
Oh.
How did people find this? How did this end up on Kotaku? Well done, Brian Ashcraft, for tracking this one down. A single sheet, 68 centimeters by 68 centimeters, wafer thin Wenshu paper, folded it for 50 hours. Samurai paper craft, 20 centimeters tall. Tremendous. Well done, sir. Good luck to you in the future.